In this tutorial, you will learn Samba la Bamba note by note. Let's get an overview of the piece. Listen, please. Okay, have your violin handy. Samba la Bamba uses most of the notes from the D major scale. Here are the D string notes in blue with their fingerings, and here are the A string notes you're going to need with their fingerings. Let's practice going from G to B for a moment. Besides G to B, there's another common skip in Samba la Bamba where it goes from F sharp to A. Try leaving your second finger down on the D string while you go to get the A open. That's called a tunnel. Also try tunneling your E, first finger on the D string, and then bowing over to the A open. Now you should try the intervals without the letter helpers. I'll point to the note and you try them. Should have sounded like this. That was G to B. Let's try another one. Should have sounded like this. That was F sharp to A. Let's try a couple more. Sounds like this. Because it was G to A. Try one more. Sounds like this. That was D open to A open. Now we need to apply these notes to Samba la Bamba. Let's take a look at the first three measures. Name the notes with me. A, G, G, A, G, G, B, A. Listen to how your part sounds in this section. I've taken away the accompaniment and slowed down the tempo. Let's look at the next section. In measure 9, we have space notes, which you may recall as face notes, F-A-C-E, from the bottom space of the staff to the top space of the staff. So we've got F, F, A, F. This is a perfect place for you to try that tunnel you tried in our warm-up. This measure, however, is made of line notes, and this is the letter G. Let's practice from 9 to 12, naming the notes. 1, 2, ready, go, rest. F, F, A, F, G, 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 A, G, F, G, A, A. In measure 13, start with your G down on the D string and leave it down while you even go get the A open. Remember, that's called a tunnel. And then there's your G, third finger on the D string again. In measure 14, you're going to keep your 2 down for F, go get the A open, and then there's your 2 again. In measure 15, we have line notes, and as you may remember, line notes go every good boy deserves fudge. So we're thinking good, good, boy, good. G, G, B, G, which is 3, 3, 1, 3, before we A open in this measure. Time to put measures 9 through 17 together on the violin. Try it with smart music. Now, take what you learned in measures 9 through 17 and apply them in the next 6 or 7 measures. Sing the notes with me, starting in measure 17. 1, 2, ready, and rest. F, F, A, F, G, G, rest. G, G, A, G, F, G, A, A, rest. G, G, A, G, rest. F, F, A, F. In measure 24, we have D open and A open stacked on top of each other. Play your D string and your A string all at once. It'll sound like this. Back up a measure, try the E, E, A, and then the double stop. In measures 25 through 30, we have space notes, mostly A opens, but you do need to watch out for your rests. A, rest, half, rest, rest, A, rest, half, rest, rest. F, F, A, rest, half, rest, whole rest worth 4. Let's take a close look at measure 31. After the rest, it's all eighth notes, nice and fast, like this. Rest. The notes that are in there start with A open and go up a step. Add 1 finger to make it B. Here's the A open, but now it's going down by step. You need to go to the D string with 3, then 2, then 1, and finally in the next measure we get our D open. So it's rest, A, B, A, G, F, E, D, 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 D. Use what you learned in sections 9 and 17 to help you again here at measure 33. Let's try it with smart music. Let's check your work. At 33, after rest, F, F, A, F, G, G, rest, G, G, A, G, F, G, A, rest, G, G, A, G, rest, F, F, A, F, rest, G, G, A, D, A, D. The last section, starting at measure 41, starts like the beginning. A, G, G, A, G, G, B, A, rest, half, rest. Now at this section where they want you nice and soft, P is for piano, G, G, G grows louder into B, B, B before we are forte, loud, on A. At the very end, do you see the double stops? Play D and A strings together. All right, it's time to take Samba la Bamba from beginning to end. I'm keeping the slower practice tempo, and I'm also going to show you the fingerings as you go along so you can check your work. The only thing I'm not going to do are the tunnels I suggested, so that way you can see clearly where the open strings occur. Here we go.